Hi everyone, I am making a viral recipe today I saw on YouTube, and it's called swamp potatoes and sausage. So basically I did all the prep already. I didn't want this to be long and boring, but I washed and cut up some Yukon Gold potatoes, and the recipe says to throw in a whole onion and a Polska Kielbasa sausage chopped up. And then it says to put Cajun seasoning on top. I don't have that, and I'm going to use this Fajita seasoning because it has chili powder. And all the spices basically are almost the same. And then it says to put kind of a lot of garlic powder on top too. Then put on a whole package of trimmed green beans, which some are trimmed and some are not, I'm seeing. That's fine. And then 2 cups of water. And a package of onion soup mix. And then a whole stick of butter. Let me grab that. That was the one thing I forgot to unwrap ahead of time. And use the unsalted butter, okay? So that's how you're supposed to do it, according to what she said. Put the lid on, turn the crock pot on high. Mine defaults to 4 hours. I don't think it's gonna take that long, but I noticed if I leave it on 2 hours and walk away, it doesn't get really hot enough to like cook the whole 2 hours on high. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then we'll come back and see how it turns out in a couple of hours. Thanks. Okay, look how this turned out. Beautiful. Smells incredible. Wow, that is amazing. It just, the smell, you guys, in the house is so good. I cannot wait to try this.